Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on 6th of July 2021. So this environmental science quiz is conducted every week on Monday on this platform to prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrances and to know something about our environment. So those who want to participate in this quiz contest, you can go through all these rules before participating in this quiz by pausing the video. So now, before revealing the results, let's discuss the questions first. So the first question was, which of the following is the main reason for producing the atmospheric greenhouse effect? And here the correct option will be option number B. Yes, absorption and re-emission of the infrared radiations by the atmosphere causes the greenhouse effect. Yes, the sun rays which are giving the infrared with the help of their light reaches the earth, and when it reflects back, the atmospheric greenhouse gases they absorbs, that is reabsorbs, and there is the re-emission of the infrared to the earth's surface, which makes this greenhouse effect. Let's move to the second question. The second question was, the term salinization is mostly defined as what? And here the correct option will be option number D. Yes, accumulation of salts in the soil is specifically called as salinization. Time for the third question. The third question was, which of the following causes soil pollution? And the options were ozone, aerosol, acid rain, or none of the above. So here the correct option will be option number C, acid rain. Yes, how acid rain causes soil pollution we'll know in this explanation, that when the rain droplets absorb the sulfur and the nitrogen dioxides present in the polluted air, it becomes acid rain. So we all know sulfur dioxides and nitrogen oxides, they are becoming acid rain when they are mixed with the rainwater. And then acid rain weakens the trees. So acid rain makes the water more acidic, which results in more absorption of the aluminium in the soil. So as a result, the soil absorbs more aluminium. So that's why it is having the soil pollution criteria, which is then carried away by the streams and lakes. Let's move to the fourth question. The fourth question was, using the following diagram, answer the question, that is, what explanation can be used to describe the situation in the test tube shown over here. So in the test tube, the above portion was occupied by the oil and below there was water. So they both were not mixed. So this was showing the situation that water is polar and oil is non-polar in nature. Therefore, these two substances will not mix and they are not mixing here. So it is one of the frequent last questions in the environmental science entrances, that water and its polar nature. So we will know more about this in this slide. So water is polar because the oxygen and hydrogen have different electronegative values. So those who are having the opposite negativity, that is electronegativity negative and positive charge in the same molecule, they will show the polar nature. And here, as oxygen is having the two lone electron pair, it shows the partial negative character, and the hydrogen atom shows the partial positive nature. So here one more thing you should also know, because of this repulsion and attraction of the electrons, what happens is it gives the water molecule a bent structure. So a bent structure that is of 104.5 degree, that also you should remember. And here, as a result, the water is polar, which is not mixing with the non-polar oil given in the picture. Let's move to the next question. The next question was an assertion and reasoning, in which the assertion statement stated, when the lightning strikes, the sound is heard a little after the flash is seen. So we all have observed this phenomena, and the reason is the velocity of the light is greater than that of the sound. So here both the reason and assertion statements are correct, with the reason being the correct explanation of the assertion statement. Let's move to the sixth question. The sixth question was, what is a necessary condition for a reaction to be spontaneous at all temperatures? So this was giving the hint of the Gibbs energy and its formula, and here the correct option will be option number D. Yes, when the Gibbs free energy change, that is delta G, and the enthalpy change, that is delta H, are negative, then only the reaction will be spontaneous at all temperature. And you should also know this formula, that is del G is equal to del H minus T del S, where del G is the change in the Gibbs free energy, del H is the change in the enthalpy, T is the temperature, and delta S is the entropy change. Let's move to the seventh question. The seventh question was, which of the following has a maximum speed? And here it was very simple, but we should know that the maximum speed is given by the light. Light is having the maximum speed, and that is the value of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We all should know this because it is important in the numericals. And same time we should also know that on an average at 20 degrees Celsius, the speed of sound in air is about 343 meter per second. So you should also know whenever we are doing any numerical, that is 343 meter per second for the speed of sound. Let's move to the eighth question. The eighth question was, as per the BS6 norms, that is Bharat Stage Emission Norms for the vehicles, OBD is mandatory for every vehicle. So the full form of OBD is what? And here the OBD full form is on-board diagnostics. So you should write down all these things. Let's move to the ninth question. The ninth question was, eco-sensitive zones are notified by dash of the Government of India under the Environment Protection Act of 1986. So here the correct option will be none of the above is having the notification for the eco-sensitive zone, because it is given by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, which was earlier known as Ministry of Environment and Forest. So let's move to the final question of this quiz contest. The 10th question was a very simple statistical question. The question was, consider a small unit of factory where there are 5 employees, a supervisor and its 4 laborers. So the laborers earn a salary of rupees 5,000 per month, while the supervisor gets rupees 15,000 per month. So the question was, what is the median of the salary? So it is very simple. First of all, you should write down as per the increasing order. So 5k for the first laborer, another 5k for the second laborer, and the 5k for the third laborer. Similarly, for the fourth laborer, the salary will be 5k as given in the question, and then finally it will be 15k for the supervisor of that factory. So now median value means the mid value. So it is very simple. Mid value is 5k. That is 5,000 will be the answer. That is the median of the salaries. So now it's time to reveal the results for this quiz contest. So first of all, there is a warning that you should not edit the answer after commenting in the comment section. You should note this one. So this time 6 students have secured 10 out of 10 marks. They are Fatima Muhammad, Khatija Samreen, Geeta Sharma, Alka Jain, Diksha Pandey and Akshay Bharadwaj. So congratulations to all of you. And other participants who have also done well are Rakhi Tyagi, Sohavani, Jyoti, BK Sahu, Vishwas Gowda and Rayaz Mir. So congratulations to all of you. Keep up the good work. You can also join our Telegram and Instagram page for extending the preparation. The links are provided in the description below.